I want to show you the power of Groove and how they drop the technical hurdle. So when you sign up for your free Groove account, you're going to log in. And when you log in, you're going to see this particular screen right here. So this screen right here, it gives you the ability to use GroovePages, GrooveSell, and Groove Affiliate. That's all for free. If you want to upgrade your account, you can just click this button here to learn more. If you want to learn about the affiliate program, you can click this button. And you have the ability in the free account to get a 20% commission. And if you sign up, depending on which package you get, if you go to the platinum package, which is what I have, then it's a 40% commission. But let's just look at GroovePages and see how easy this program is to use. So when you sign up, like I say, you're going to get some free sites, and you get 3 of them actually that you'll see here. There's 3 sites you can do. I can do unlimited sites because I have the Pro version. There's other perks, of course, to Go Pro, which I'll point out to you in a minute. But when you want to put a new site in, you just click the new site button. There's 2 different ways that you can create your website. You can go with a pre-programmed template, or you can start from scratch. So I'll show you both of these. But if we use the template, check on the templates, there's a whole bunch of templates in here, like you see. The 4 right here are the ones that are available for the free account. If you go to, like you'll see the other ones here, premium at the top, those are for the different packages. There's going to be a silver, a gold, and a platinum package. I think I have the platinum because there's a special deal on right now. But anyways, let's just look at creating one of these sites just to show you how easy this is to do. So let's say, for example, you like this guy standing here kind of thing. You can select that, and then it's going to build the page for you. And basically that's what it's doing right now. It's working away, and boom, there you have it. You got your page. Now you can change him, you can change the text up here, you can change the headline, you can change anything. It's just basically just click in there and change it to whatever you want. You can hook it up to a mail responder, like MailChimp or one of those. And this up here gives you the ability, and this is a great thing, gives you the ability to see it on different devices, like what it's going to look like on different devices, so that you make sure that it looks good everywhere, on the phone or whatever. And then that's basically how that particular program works. So we're just going to publish this, say. We don't really want to publish it. I just want to see what it looks like on real life. There it is in real life. So there you have that particular way to do it. Now if you say, well, you know what, yeah, I kind of like that, but let's just see if I created one of my own, what it's going to look like. So we'll just going to back out of here, and we're going to go back to this page. You're going to see that now your new site has been added. There it is right there. And now we have 2 more sites we can create. So let's just do that. Let's go and create another one from a blank template. So we're just going to take a blank template. We're going to go from scratch. And in here, there are things what they call blocks. And blocks are blocks of code, actually. So let's say, for example, you want to add a cover. So you I kind of like this one. So we'll put that one in there. And now you got a cover. And let's say, we want a call to action. We want somebody to do something when, once this thing is done, it's going to put it there. Okay, so let's just see how this page looks, like just real quick, but just to show you an idea. There you go. You get yourself a beautiful, beautiful page. And now if we go back here, we can see what it looks like, when you actually go online to look at it. And there you have it. But there is a third way that you can do it, which is with this button right here. And what happens is this button right here allows you to import a page. So if there are templates, for example, in the library, when you get certain programs, you'll have the ability to download a template. Same as you do like with Clickfunnels, where they've got the ability to download a funnel or whatever. So that's in here as well. Now, for the ones that are in the SAS program, I sort of wanted to show you how you can create a page from the templates that are in the members area. So when you go to your members area, when you buy the program, you go in the members area, you'll see a lot of different things in here, but one of them is called templates. And you go into here, template downloads, and way down here you'll see all these different templates in here. So let's just pick one, let's pick this one here and see how it looks. So basically you just go in here, you just select all, and anyway, you copy that. We go into the GrooveFunnels. We want to create a new site. We take a blank template and we wait for it to load up. And in here, we talked about this before, but we just sort of select this little guy right here. We put this in, we Control V to paste it, we save it, and boom, voila, look at this. We've got ourselves a beautiful web page, just like that. So, obviously there's some things that you've got to do to make it yours or whatever, but that is how quickly the templates work. Now, when we go to the pages, you'll see here that this page is called Home. Well, you can go in here and you can edit the settings. And you can change this to be your keyword, whatever your keyword is. You can change the title of the page. You can add your meta keywords here, your meta description, all that type of stuff. You can put tracking things, and this is for every single page. You can put OG here. Those are for social media images. So that's all part and parcel of this thing. Now, the key of this type of a program is because it's hosted online, you've got a really fast website. And Google loves speed, and it's a mobile first thing now with Google. So when you go to, I'm going to show you a site that got created using the GroovePages. I believe it's, where is it? Hang on, oh, it's right here. So this particular page, it's just got, it's got this page, it's got classes, media, and about. This page is all created using Groove. And I want to show you just how quickly this page is. It's pretty amazing, actually. So, if you go to Google page speed, and the reason we use Google is because, like, if Google ranks you high, you're gonna be showing up in different places. So you'll see the very first one that comes up is Google Speed Insights for Google developers. And what you do is you just put the website in there, you analyze it, and this will give you mobile first and then the desktop. So 76. And the desktop is 97. So both of those are really good. Now there's one thing I want to point out. In the mobile, which is 76, the reason it tells you right here that they want the next gen formats for these pictures, and that'll increase your speed quite a bit. And so right now that's in the process of being done, so that when an image is downloaded, it's gonna be downloaded, and then they're gonna make copies for each type of device, so that when your page shows up, it's going to show up with the right sized image. And basically to sort of show you what I'm talking about, when you look at this image right here, this image of this lady was taken using an iPhone. Well, this is like probably, I don't know, 16 megs or something like that. It's a huge file. Well, when you're on mobile, you do not need a file that big. So this obviously could be like this particular thing in dimensions here. I'll just show you the dimensions of this particular picture. It is, you know, it's only 600 pixels wide by 600 pixels high. Well, the one that's on the mobile phone is probably, you could put it on the side of a friggin' freight truck, like it could be on a transport trailer truck as a full size picture. And so you don't need one that big. And so that's why, when Google is looking at their mobile first indexing, they're looking to see that the pictures are the right size for the mobile device being used, and that is in the process of being done in the back of your Groove Pages account. One of the other things I want to show you is that this particular site also has a store on it, and it's actually a store that is run by GrooveCart. So you'll see up here, welcome to my GrooveCart store. So that's another feature that is in there. And the other thing that I don't think I pointed out before is how important it is when we were talking about the GrooveFunnels pages and how you could, change your page settings here. The SEO in here is how you do it, and this is where you put the keywords in that are related to your topics. And basically the Google spiders that crawl the internet, on a regular basis, they pick up these keywords and meta descriptions and things like that. And so all of these combined with the good SEO, the speed of the site being like lightning fast, and the fact that they're really good looking sites and you can zero in on your topic really easily, and how these are H1 tags and H2 tags and all this type of stuff, which is all things that Google uses when they're doing their ranking. It makes these sites incredible, and that's why we highly recommend that you switch to Groove, because not only is it going to be a site builder like what we see here, this is just really kind of really basically why you'd want to do it. But let's just show you some other things here that when you upgrade, you're going to get like Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, like things like that. Like and these mail and member and video, as far as I know, they're going to be coming out very shortly, and they're going to be obviously an upgrade, but definitely, like, when you start figuring out the cost of everything that you're doing right now, you could have a video program that costs you, I don't know, $30 a month, and then you've got Groove Mail. Well, maybe you've got some active campaign or something like that. It costs you like $20 a month or whatever. When you figure it all out, you can save yourself a heck of a lot of money. And when you're looking at Groove Sell, I mean, that's just like Shopify. I mean, I think Shopify, I believe it costs you somewhere around $30 a month or something like that. So these are all things that are in here available to you. But now I think it's important for you to know who's behind the project, and so I want to introduce you to Mike Filsaime. He's the CEO, and he's a really good entrepreneur. He's run Groove Digital. You'll see GrooveFunnels here, where all the different things, GrooveCart, and so on. So this man here has got a lot of things that he has done over the years, and I wanted to just have him come online and tell you a few things about about the program.
I'm making this big, bold claim so that when I show you what's coming, you'll understand. So the very, very first thing that we're doing is we're creating a landing page and marketing funnel builder that is better than Clickfunnels. It's easier to use. We're going to have a better, more modern template library. By the time July 15th comes out, the final push on some of the stuff here with that's coming is incredible. You'll be able to import any page off the web. Just when you say add a page, put the URL in. It's going to pull the entire page for you. And if you can prove that you own the page, we'll pull the copy and the images. If not, we'll give you placeholder images in lorem ipsum text. You'll have share funnels, all of these different things, split testing, easier to use. And guess what? We're giving you absolutely free everything that Clickfunnels is doing for $99 a month, and some of them at $299 a month. And we're giving it to you for free. And on top of that, we're giving you GrooveSell so you can sell your products in your affiliate program. By mid-July, we will have more users, more active users in our system than Clickfunnels. I'm making this big, bold claim so I can get somebody's attention, like they say in the movie, Django Unchained. Leonardo DiCaprio says, you had my curiosity, now you have my attention. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to pique your curiosity so that at the end you'll say, wow, now you have my attention. Now that I've seen this, I'm really, really getting it, folks. But I say this because our passion is this. Our passion is to give you world-class software. The last thing I'm going to say is this, and I don't think there's anything wrong with what I'm going to say. I think that both companies would agree on this. ClickFunnels is the leader, and ClickFunnels, they are a marketing company that wants to help you with your technology. We are a technology company that wants to help you with your marketing. We have 4 main founders, and 3 out of 4 of those founders have a computer science background, including me. I went to New York Institute of Technology for Computer Science. I was a programmer when I was in high school. I sold my first product to Lottery Players Magazine for $25,000. It was a little piece of software I wrote in 1985. Then I went to college for this stuff. Everything I've ever done online, from PowerLink Generator, Viral Friend Generator, Butterfly Marketing, Deal Guardian, Pay.com, Evergreen Business System, Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, Kartra, GrooveCart, GrooveFunnels. I am a software developer. This is what I do. I do it better than anyone. That's why my previous company, although I didn't get along with the previous partners, EverWebinar became the largest automated webinar platform in the world within 1 year. And they even said, oh, you're never going to be able to take on Stealth Seminar. Overnight. Webinar Jam became the largest webinar platform on the planet for marketers, the second largest webinar platform in the world. And we did that in 1 year. So this is what we do. And we do that because we're passionate about software. So if you're going to be creating a business and you want technology to run your business, this is the question you have to ask. And this is not a trick question. This is not a trick question. You have to ask yourself, if I want to have a company that runs on world-class technology, who do you want to buy your technology from? A marketing company or a technology company? What does it take to become number one? Number one, it takes the right people with the right passion that love their customers, that are in the Facebook group teaching. Our goal is to have courses that are free, because if I can make you a better marketer and surround myself with people like Barry and Jason and Mike Long, I know that providing you with better education is going to make you want to use my software better. I don't want to drown you in debt by making you buy more courses. I want to give you that education so that we can help you use the software better. And then obviously there's great educators like you have from these guys that are going to teach you the SEO and all these different things. So that's my little rant to make my bold claim. You're going to get access to GroovePages, GrooveSell, and Groove Affiliate. No credit card needed. And to use those products, you don't need a credit card. You'll never need a credit card. Okay? And GrooveSell is like Pay Kickstart or SamCard or ThriveCart, or what you sell your products within Kartra or Infusionsoft. You set up your products, you want to click upsells, your order bumps, all of those different things, your funnels, and it fulfills your products and all that different stuff. Yes, guys, I've been around the block, so I'm sure you have a lot of questions. So yes, it'll integrate with everything. It'll do this. It'll do it better than anything that there is out there, and these products already do. And then GrooveMail, GrooveMember, and GrooveVideo are coming out in about 3 weeks on July 15th. And then the future coming out between Thanksgiving and New Year's will be GrooveVlog, GrooveWebinars, which is a 3-part product. It'll have, if you're familiar with like StreamYard and BeLive, which is really hot right now, that's going to be included. Now these are part of the upgrade, guys. What you get for free is GroovePages, GrooveSell, and Groove Affiliate. So let's put a line right there. That's what you get for free. And the upgraded members get GrooveMail, GrooveMember, GrooveVideo, GrooveVlog, GrooveWebinars, GrooveDesk, GrooveCalendar, GrooveSurvey. Mobile first indexing. Let's do a search for that. Well, what do you know? The first thing that comes up is developers.google.com. Let's click on it. What are they telling you? Starting July 1st, 2019, Google is only going to index your pages as they are designed to look on a mobile device. And if you're designing your devices so they look at on a laptop, and that's what we have to do on a desktop because we have this big canvas as we're working, we like it to look good like this. But if you don't have the ability to make it look not only for every device but also mobile, well, then you're going to be in trouble because Google's like, oh, you're not using mobile first indexing. You don't have anything in there that is saying that this page is specifically designed for this breaker point. Okay, so there you go. We are the only landing page and funnel builder that works for mobile first indexing. So that's number one. Number two, let's also talk about all the other SEO that we spoke about. Your pages are hosted on Google. We also use Cloudflare. We provide you with SSL. We're mobile first indexing. Means Google loves GroovePages, guys. It loves it for SEO. It loves that it's like, oh, look at this. It's a published page. It's static. It loads instantly. It has H1, H2 tags. It's using proper structure. It's not tied down with a framework like Bootstrap. It doesn't have all this other junk. It's the cleanest HTML output we've ever seen. Oh my goodness, it's mobile first indexing. Yes, guess who's getting #1 in the search engines? With a gorgeous site that's easy to build that your clients are absolutely going to love. So I hope you're starting to see the big picture here. Now, let's go back to mobile because this is going to bring us back to the final part here of what we're going to be doing. Mike and Barry and Jason had gotten us on with SEO experts that schooled us on a couple of other things. And they showed us, and this is going to be coming, that when you upload your image like this, and upload, we are no longer going to be keeping the image that you upload solely. We are going to be optimizing it for two things, device size and bandwidth. And then our servers are going to determine what the user is going to see because we're going to have multiple images on your server. And then when they come to the site, we're going to serve the proper image because the problem here is that my wife, when she went to Fitness Food Fun, you know what she did? She took her iPhone pictures and she loaded them up here, and these things are like 8 megapixels, right, or 16 megapixels. If you were to look at this thing on a mobile device, you see the device gets so small you don't need all those pixels. So we're going to be doing a couple of things. We're going to be optimizing the images for mobile, and we're also going to be doing lazy loading so that you see, like with Facebook, so that the rest of the page is only going to load as you scroll, which Google absolutely loves. That's all the stuff here in the mobile first indexing. Good luck trying to go tell the other page builders, can you go refactor your software to do this and not create pages with Bootstrap and all these other frameworks. So there you go. That's why our desktop is at 98, and now I could turn this page to a 98 if I change the images, okay? If I change the images, then we're going to be fine. And we're going to be doing these things in the next generation, SVG conversions, all these things, and Google's going to be like, these guys get it. You're #1, you're #1, you're #1.
I just want to share with everyone, anyone that's doing local marketing, this is insane. Imagine you could go into any local business, get them on blistering fast hosting for free on GroovePages, and literally give their website an upgrade, like with a click of the mouse. And I want you to understand something, guys, and Mike, I'll get to you in just a second. There are companies, agencies that are charging a fortune right now just for hosting. It's a scam, right? There's another word to describe. I know, Mike Long, this is one of your big crusade door strategy. Thanks to Mike Phil, same. Any business, anywhere. You walk in, get them on blistering fast. You don't pay a penny for it and save them a fortune. It's a foot in the door strategy for anyone doing any local stuff. It's insane.
Well, now for the big question. Will GroovePages kill Clickfunnels? It remains to be seen. However, if you factor in that you're getting all the tools you need to run your online business, you can start for free and have lifetime access, it makes it pretty hard not to think that this could happen. Thanks to all of you for your insight into this great software cloud-based platform. My verdict? This is definitely a great platform, and there are lots of things I love about it. First of all, I love that you get the #1 new sales page and funnel building platform 100% free. It gives you all the tools you need to run your online business. There's no credit card ever, no fees ever. It's just free. You can get it on the link below even if you don't buy anything. Now, just how good is that? There are lots of things to love about this platform. The speed alone are things that I love about the platform. It's a huge benefit. Added to this is the mobile friendliness of these sites. They are pretty, they're modern, they're search engine optimized to help you get your step up in the ranks in Google. And best of all, free hosting is included. It's currently in beta in mid-July 2020, so it's impossible for me to give it a 100% rating. However, this is because in beta, there are some little hiccups that need to be fixed. This is actually a benefit to you that I'll go into in a minute. But in my experience with this, I have found nothing that was an issue. So because I just can't say 100% because it's in beta, I'll give it a ranking of 95%. And definitely, in my opinion, that's good enough. Now, about the product sales funnel. If you want to buy this product, here's what you should expect in the sales funnel. First of all, on the front end, which is free, you'll get the following. Free account for life. GroovePages powerful funnel builder. Full access to Groove Sell and Groove Affiliate. The most powerful affiliate software, period. And so much more. You'll see a couple of options should you wish to enhance your capabilities with the platform, but these are not required to keep your lifetime ability to use the free hosting and all that stuff. Now, I'd mentioned that there's actually a benefit to you at the time of making this video because it's in beta mode. This benefit is that during the beta period, you have an opportunity to lock in a payment with the lifetime option plan. You can see the options at grooveupgrade.vip. There are other perks when you upgrade too. All of these are listed, plus your affiliate commission can go from 20% to 40%. So here's my conclusion. I endorse GroovePages, which is part of GrooveFunnels, and I recommend you get it if you're an affiliate marketer, or a person who wants an online presence, or even if you're a local business owner who wants to increase your online exposure. But it's not just me that thinks like this. Thousands are signing up every day, so that should tell you that this is going to be the platform to be on. Imagine if you were in beta for Clickfunnels for a lifetime offer instead of having to pay $299 a month. Like the man says, the day of the fair is the day to be there, not the day after. So click my free website button or the mygroove.vip link to get your access to this groundbreaking software platform. Thank you for watching.